using this to restore my headlights on the 2001 Echo. Alright, this is before. It's pretty, I know. And that's after. So it cleaned it up, or at least cleared it up a lot in comparison, I think. That's before, after. So this is what I'm following it up with. It's Meguiar's headlight coating. 2 coats. Okay, and this is the final finished product. Alright, just to compare the clarity of the treated 2001 Toyota Echo headlights, and this is our 2019 headlights for the Ford Transit T150. Pretty clear here, and actually pretty clear here. Very happy.